Valentine's Day, baby. Love you. If nothing is cooked all the way, you don't have to eat it. Okay. Yes, you get a gift too. You all done eating? Mm-hmm. Okay, you want your gift? Mm-hmm. All right, here you go.
I already know what it is.
Oh, you do?
Because I asked for it. It's my besitos charm. Aww. This is what I wanted this year, so I sent him a picture and he got it.
I did good?
Yes, I'm going to make it into a little necklace and maybe engrave T and B on the back. Besitos.
You like it? I love you.
I love you.
All right, so something may or may not have happened overnight.
It snowed and it sticked and there's so much.
It's like really deep, guys. Definitely a couple inches.
I'm so happy.
Live in Texas, they said. It never snows here, they said.
So with this snow day, our power is out. And we had not been grocery shopping at all. All we had is frozen stuff in the freezer. So we couldn't make any of that. So our neighbor saved our lives, brought us a loaf of bread and meat and even drinks. So we're about to make a sandwich and I told Tony, oh, you want them toasted? We can't do anything. So Tony says we're going to have to toast our bread like this.
We're toasting them. Bring me the bread.
So we are on the next day after snow day, the day after tomorrow. No, just kidding. And it is crazy. We have been out of power now for 24 hours. Half of that was at our home. Then we ventured out to my parents' house. And last night, pitch black in the house, barely had any candles. It's just crazy. Yeah. We know for some people that live out of state, this is nothing, but for San Antonio, they literally declared a winter emergency because we have nothing to prepare for this. We don't go through this type of weather.
We don't. No.
How do you feel?
The last time it snowed like this was what, in the 70s, 80s?
1985.
I'm freezing. And the fact that we have no electricity makes it that much worse. So we're here in the cars trying to charge our phones. It's like 12 degrees outside right now.
Yeah, pretty crazy. Everything is still, the snow stuck, the roads are icy. And yeah, our phones are low. We don't have much food, but we set some of the fridge stuff out in the ice because it's colder than the fridge. So this is crazy. 2021.
Making memories.
Making memories.
I don't think I've ever seen snow like this before. For those of y'all that live in South Texas or even Texas, it doesn't snow like this typically. I'm freezing.
So,
again, we're not prepared for this, guys, so we're using oven mitts. My wife is like 12 years old today. You can't catch me! You can't catch me! You can't catch me! Too slow!
So as you can see, the snow finally started to melt, which everybody in Texas was happy about because that meant that we can start getting our power back, which we did, and it was so much better being in the cold with power and being able to cook a yummy breakfast and cuddle with the heater on. But then we woke up to this. Round 2.
Standing in silence, the stars lean in my chest, I can feel this is where
We literally couldn't believe that it was snowing again. This was like the craziest winter storm we could have had, but all of that to say, I am so thankful for this snow because it really did just give us such good memories, and we had such a good time. Even with the power outages and not having food and all of those things, we were able to just enjoy each other and just be grateful for everything that we have. Hey guys, I'm just popping in really quick to say hi and to say thank you so much for watching our video today. We're so excited to be back filming and finally getting to post a new video. We know that it's been months now, but you know, life gets crazy and we have had a lot of family and friends, and including us, just go through a lot this last couple months, just like I'm sure many of you have, and so we've had to cope and go through those things in our lives along with our friends and family. We just had to put off filming for a little while, but through Valentine's Day and our crazy Texas winter storm, we were able to get some clips and kind of film, not knowing if we would have a video, but we're really glad that we got to put one together and share it with you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you to all of our family and friends that have reached out to us and just told us how much you enjoy our videos. We really appreciate it. Again, our goal is just to film our lives, to make memories, and to share them with people that we love. So thank you so much for watching, and we are so excited to get back into the groove of filming. We can't wait for what's to come. Thank you guys so much